Imagine a world where cleaning is no longer a chore, but a quick, efficient, and almost enjoyable experience. Where every nook, every surface, and even the most hard-to-reach places in your home or construction site are spotless. Today, I am going to talk to you about a revolution in the world of cleaning, the Einhell Construction Vacuum Cleaner. If you are interested, feel free to click on the link in the description. Now, to learn more about its unique features, see the hundreds of reviews left by satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This construction vacuum cleaner is ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professionals looking for a powerful and versatile cleaning solution for the home, garage, or job sites. Its ability to handle both liquids and dust makes it perfect for anyone who demands a clean and dust-free environment. This device is not just a simple vacuum cleaner, it is the result of advanced technology designed to make your life easier. With a power of 1400 watts and equipped with a 30-liter stainless steel tank, this vacuum cleaner is a true giant of cleanliness. Its ability to vacuum both liquids and dust makes it indispensable in any home or on any construction site. Tell me, have you ever had trouble cleaning carpets, car seats, or upholstered furniture? With this vacuum cleaner and its numerous nozzles, it is the ideal tool for these tasks. Its 3-meter suction hose combined with a 5-meter cable provides an exceptional working radius of 8 meters, allowing us to reach every nook and cranny with ease. That's not all. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a HEPA filter, capturing even the finest particles, making it particularly suitable for people suffering from allergies. In addition, its innovative filter cleaning system allows for the removal of accumulated dust with just one click. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The design of this vacuum cleaner is also designed for your comfort. The wheels and the trolley handle make it easy to move, while the integrated holders allow for convenient storage of cables and hoses. On a construction site, this vacuum cleaner is a valuable ally. Its filtration class is specifically designed to filter harmful particles such as plaster or lime dust. The controlled power outlet allows you to connect electric tools, thereby increasing your efficiency and cleanliness on the job site. Do not underestimate the importance of good cleaning equipment. Whether for domestic or professional use, this Einhell vacuum cleaner delivers impeccable results. Its ability to vacuum large amounts of liquid thanks to its drain plug greatly facilitates cleaning up after major spills. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to see the hundreds of customer reviews attesting to its impressive quality and to order yours at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's move on to the advantages as well as the disadvantages. Advantage number 1. Capable of vacuuming both liquids and dust, making it suitable for a wide variety of cleaning situations. With a power of 1400 watts, it offers strong suction capacity for deep cleaning. Advantage number 3. HEPA filter, high-quality filtration, ideal for allergy sufferers, and for capturing fine particles. Advantage number 4. Large capacity, 30-liter stainless steel tank, suitable for large volumes of debris or liquid, reducing the frequency of emptying. Advantage number 5. Ease of movement, equipped with wheels and a trolley handle, making transportation easier. Advantage number 6. Filter cleaning system, allows for easy and quick maintenance of the filter, preserving suction performance. Advantage number 7. Various accessories includes different accessories for various applications, increasing its utility. Advantage number 8. Extended action hose, 3-meter suction hose and 5-meter cable providing great reach. Advantage number 9. Power socket allows for the connection of electric tools, adding to its functionality on construction sites. Now, let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1. Noise. Like most construction vacuum cleaners, it can be relatively loud during use. Disadvantage number 2. Bulkiness. It can take up a lot of storage space due to its size and numerous accessories. In summary, this Einhell construction vacuum cleaner is a technological gem, an indispensable companion for efficient and effortless cleaning. To learn more and order yours at the best price with hundreds of satisfied customer reviews, feel free to click on the link in the description. A world of cleanliness and efficiency awaits you. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.